Next to me, you can see two legends of Škoda Motorsport. Škoda 1100 OHC, whose design was equal to the best in the world at the turn of 50s and 60s, and Škoda 130 RS, which began to pick up her first big successes for the Škoda brand in the Rally World Championship at the 70s. Both cars are great inspiration for a big thing that lies ahead, because Škoda brand is entering a Gran Turismo game. How? I will show you in a minute. And here we are. Our designers put together a concept of Škoda Vision GT, which we are presenting right here, right now on a world premiere.
We wanted to give the players a glimpse into our history in motorsport. That's why we chose 1100 OHC as a blueprint and dressed it up in an iconic livery of Škoda 130 RS. The result is stunning. Škoda Vision Gran Turismo is an open spider. It can be described in the simple lines, just like 1100 OHC, but this time in solid forms and driven by a modern powertrain. So I hope it's gonna be a nice challenge for Eric and the players.
It's just pure fun to drive. It has a great balance between instant IV power and also really realistic handling, especially the brakes. You have to find the right braking spot as in a normal line. Also the aero. In the long fast corners it really helps you, so you can really rely on it.
We are here in Prague for the launch of the Škoda Vision GT. Now, a lot of people tell us in rallying that our Škoda Fabia RS Rally 2 looks good, but when I saw this, it blew me away. It's the coolest looking thing, and of course, when we look back in Škoda's history, they create great looking race cars and rally cars and everything like this. So it's really, really exciting to see the launch of this cool car. And I gotta say, I'm glad that I don't have to read any paceless in it, because it looks very, very fast. And there's only one seat, so it could be quite difficult. But anyway, very cool to be here.
So give it a try and let us know how it drives.
Škoda.